Welcome to QPro Design Consultants Private Limited. We are India's leading safety, security and building automation consultants. With 25 years of experience in the building industry, we are now a full-service building technology consulting firm providing the design of MEP and ELV systems as well as green building certification consulting services. Since our incorporation in 1995, we have consulted over 450 projects across the country. With the knowledge, expertise and experience our team has gained over the years, we can design systems for complex requirements involving state-of-the-art technology. Our solutions are comprehensive and keep in mind the client's need and budget. We have built our reputation on our knowledge, client orientation and integrity. We have received appreciation from our clients for the excellent work done in the form of repeat orders from them. The solutions we design cater to a wide range of clients. It includes facilities for IT-enabled services, R&D labs, manufacturing companies, warehouses, data centers, telecom, banking, pharma and others. Our clients include the who's who of the Indian industry. But what is our role? When a client hires us for designing the building technology systems, we conduct a feasibility survey and come out with a design brief report that gives the tentative systems proposed, the drawings and the budget. Once the client approves our plans, we make detailed designs and prepare the technical specifications. To this, the client adds in the commercial terms and releases the tender. When the vendors start bidding, we do the bid's technical evaluation and allocate scores to them. After the client finalizes the vendor, we scrutinize the shop drawings and ensure that the vendor's makes, models and quantities of the equipment adhere to the tender specifications. After our approval, the vendor starts the execution. We visit the building before commissioning and certify if it is as per the approved shop drawings. One might ask, what is the need to hire a specialist? Why not give this job to the contractor or any other general consultant? System design comprises looking into several minute details. Let's take the example of fire safety. There are several codes and standards applicable which need to be followed. For instance, under certain conditions, the code states that the smoke detectors are located every 7.5 meters. Short circuit isolators are to be provided for every 20 to 30 sensors. The fire staircase should terminate at the ground level and not go to the basement. The spare fire hose must be kept adjacent to the fire hydrant outlet. There are such examples in every system that may relate to adherence to standards or effective execution. Mistakes made in design can prove costly in terms of time, effort, money and reputation. Given the high stakes, you should ensure that the maker and the checker are two separate entities so that checks and balances are in place. To get the most of your building systems, you need people with knowledge and the experience to guide you. The system design job needs expertise and attention to small details. That is where QPro Design Consultants come in. We have senior people with decades of experience in our company who take care of every minute detail to ensure that the building is designed correctly as per standards, thereby safeguarding the client's interests. We make the tender specifications unbiased and promote fair competition. We do not permit the vendors to take a shortcut and point out violations, ensuring that the final output is as per the design and tender. We also protect our clients from getting stuck with proprietary systems that may limit their future choices and reduce their leverage with vendors. We are based in Chennai and Navi Mumbai and take up assignments both in India and abroad. To know more about us, please feel free to reach out.